So we actually have basically this entity right here. Now, if we start the application, we should see a new table as well as a sequence within our database. Let's restart the application. So in here, I'm going to restart. There we go. The application started fine. Now, what I want you to do is let's hide this and let's open up database tab in here. And that is only if you have the Ultimate Edition. But if I expand customer and then public, you can see that there's nothing here, right? So this is the public schema. But that's because I need to refresh the database. So if I refresh, and then you can see I've got database objects, but if I expand public, you can see that I do have one table called customer and one sequence called customer ID sequence. So basically customer, it takes the class name to lowercase customer, and then the sequence, so customer ID sequence right here. So there we go. And it creates the sequence for us. And you can see the type is big int. So a sequence is just an auto increment number. Now the table called customer, you can see that it has 4 columns. Why? Because we have 4 fields in here: ID, name, email, and age. If I expand, ID, which is an integer, name, or actually age in here, integer, email, varchar, name, as well as varchar. And we have an index, and that's because we have the ID as primary key. And you can see that this is beautiful stuff. Now, if I open up my terminal, and in here, remember, we connected to customer. So before we did \d, we didn't have any relations. But now if I say \d, you can see that I do have 2 relations. So we've got a table as well as a sequence. And basically, I'm showing you what you've seen with IntelliJ. If I describe, so \d and then customer, and you can see that we have the exact same information. So ID, name, integer, email, so on and so forth. Now, one thing that I'm not happy is that I want basically everything to be not null. So let's change this in the next video.